Hey everybody out in ProStart land, it's Chef Jackson Lamb here at Metropolitan State University of Denver, and I'm watching that ProStart Level 1 book. We're at Introduction to Baking. I'm in our bake shop today, and I just thought I'd give you a quick overview as to what goes on in any given bake shop. I guess one question is, Introduction to Baking, what are we going to be learning in this class? Well, aside from breads, and that's another chapter altogether, baking, we're talking pies, we're talking cakes, we're talking tarts, anything that's going to go in the oven, anything that's usually sweet. Baking and pastry, fantastic. I'm going to walk around the kitchen a little bit just to kind of follow me and see what goes on around here. Of course, over here is where we keep all our small wares and all that. I come over here. In baking, you got to bear in mind that it's a little bit more scientific than other types of cooking, and so very critical that we're weighing everything. We want to make sure that we've got an accurate amount of water or whatever the liquid might be. We want to make sure that we're weighing out our dry ingredients, typically in grams, not necessarily ounces. So that's one of the things that we do. Also, follow me over here. We've got today we've got an active baking class going on here where we are doing breads, but we'll talk about yeast breads in another chapter. That's actually in level 2. But in your school, you might not have the same equipment we have here at Metro State, but I'm sure that your ProStart teacher knows exactly what they're talking about, and they're going to try to lead you through as many of these components that I've just described. So, Chef Jackson Lamb here at Metro State University saying thank you for enrolling in ProStart, and we'll see you at the next chapter. Thank you very much.